Oh, hi guys. So nice to see you. We've really missed you. School's a really quiet place. One of the things I'm most grateful for at the moment is having the technology to connect to you on a daily basis. So while you can't be together in person, we are able to still manage to be connected. Connection's a really important thing, and we use our food, which is my love, to actually show how we love those around us, care for them. When in my time away from school, I love to garden. I'm here in the kitchen garden today, and I've actually found some time to weed it, make it look really good. I'm going to take some chilies home tonight, make something delicious for dinner. For many of you, it's also an opportunity to be a living gift to each other. So for many of our families this coming Easter, we're actually going to be by ourselves, and you know, that's a bit sad, but what I'm planning to do is actually potter and give those people that I love a living gift. And I've bought all these little purple little flowers, and I'm just going to pop them into pots. Just 3. Pop them in, grow them over the next couple of weeks, and even though we can't be together, we can actually drop them on each other's doorsteps and actually just let each other know that we're thinking of our family and friends at this time. We don't need chocolate, we need love. One of the most exciting things that I'm really wrapped about is I love wool and I love chickens. And my friends know me as the crazy teapot lady. But for the first time in 30 years, my husband's actually going to allow me to have real life chickens. Real life chickens in my garden. So that way I can be environmentally friendly, cook up a storm for those people that I love. I'm still going to make crazy teapots. I hope you have a wonderful Easter regardless of where you are. Stay connected. Remember to check into us daily. Take care. Be safe.